Have you ever felt mad on God for the setbacks in your life that it seemed victory looks far fetched? I've been. I've asked questions like, Lord, bakit ang tagal ng breakthrough? Lord, bakit parang puro rock bottom? Lord, bakit sila may success na? Ako nandito pa din, still working on it. Lord, bakit ganun ang healing? One day okay na. The next day, grief visits again. Lord, when will this misery end? And as I read the scripture yesterday, it was confirmed by God that every setback has its purpose. Every waiting season has a reason. The Israelites' journey to the promised land was delayed, not because God isn't capable of bringing them there fast, but because He was thinking of their welfare all along. In Exodus 23, verse 27, God declared to them, I will have the fear of me precede you, so that I will throw into panic every nation you reach. But in verse 29 to 30, he continued, But not in 1 year will I drive them all out before you, else the land will become so desolate that the wild beasts will multiply against you. Instead, I will drive them out little by little before you, until you have grown numerous enough to take possession of the land. Imagine having their enemies removed right away, yet they'll get preyed on by wild animals before they even get to the promised land. Ang saklap na plot twist, diba? In today's age, receiving what we have prayed for outright without us being prepared for it, we could be preyed on by pride, lust, greed, and other deadly sins. I remember my Christian business mentor, sabi niya, baka kaya hindi pa binibigay ni Lord sa'yo kasi He cares for you enough to prepare you first. Let that sink in. The losses, the setbacks, they are God's very protection so we won't get preyed on. God is always into fulfillment of His promises, and He considers our welfare as we journey towards it, even the ones we didn't even think about. Grabe si Lord, no? Talagang inaalala tayo palagi. We are always in His mind. Kaya, sa susunod na maisip mo na napag-iiwanan ka na o ang tagal naman ng kasagutan ng mga pinagdadasal mo, remind yourself, there is purpose in the delays, setbacks, and slow victories. Slow victory, no matter how long it takes, is still victory. Already written in your life by the very author of our lives. How beautiful is that?